10 days ago, I've taken an impression of the lower jaw with 4 standard transfers. My technician has selected the most appropriate abutments for screw-retained prosthesis using the plastic try-in abutments. For this case, we have chosen 3 straight abutments with different gingival heights and 1 angled abutment. The technician used the dental cast to find the best position for the hexagon and to fix the hex to the abutment body. I've just removed the healing caps and placed the abutments into the implants. First of all, I activate the connection with the abutment beater. On straight abutments, 2 percussions are sufficient. On angled abutments, 4 to 5 percussions are necessary. For this case, I've chosen a pickup technique for the impression taking on abutment level. I place the pickup transfers onto the abutments and tighten the pickup screws with a short screwdriver all the way down. Now I check the fit of the impression tray. The pickup screws have to protrude through the openings. I inject impression material around the transfer and fill the tray with impression material. Then I place the open top impression tray into the mouth and verify that all screw heads are free of impression material before the impression material has set. Once the impression material has set, I unscrew the pickup screws. For easy removal of the impression material, which might obstruct the access to the screws head, you may place a piece of base plate wax on top of the impression tray to cover the openings. When I remove the tray from the mouth, the pickup transfers are kept in the impression. Now I fix the protective caps onto the abutments with the standard connecting screws. Afterwards, the provisional prosthesis has to be relieved, corresponding to the abutments, and the patient can go home. To fabricate a new master cast that replicates the position of the abutments being definitively seated in the implants, the technician places the proper diameter abutment analog onto each transfer, tightens the pickup screws, and finally pours the cast.